Hello everybody, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be making for you Italian Amaretti cookies. Our ingredients for today are: we've got 4 egg whites which I've already separated just to save time. We've got our ground almonds, we've got caster sugar, and we've got amaretto. I'm just going to put these aside, and then we're going to whisk up our egg whites until they get white and fluffy. Right, so we've got our eggs beaten into our soft white peaks. Then we're going to put in our sugar. This is caster sugar. Just going to give that a little stirring. And then we're going to put in our ground almonds. And into that I'm going to put 1 shot glass full of amaretto liqueur. Put in the rest of the almonds. Remember, if you like our videos, to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and press the comment button down below if you want to make a comment. We will try and get back to you whenever we can. As you can see, it's mixed in already. So nice quick recipe, and just going to put a little bit more amaretto on there. So now that we've got this mixed in, we've got our tray which we've lined with foil. Then we've got some non-stick grease-proof paper. So we're just going to put this onto our tray in small. You can make these as small as you like or as large as you like. Because these are going to spread when you do them anyway, so you do the size what you want. Remember, you can just do them whatever size you want to do them. You don't have to be accurate with the mixture. Right, we just finished putting them on a tray. We've got 24 out of this one. You can get more if you want to make them smaller, but we like them like a small cookie size. So we're going to put these in the oven on fan mark 170 for about 15 to 20 minutes until they've got a little bit of browning on them. So we'll show you that when they come out. Right everyone, we've got them out of the oven now. It was in the oven for about 25 minutes. So as you can see, they're nice and golden brown. So we're going to do off and off. So I'm just going to move one tray first. What I've got on there, I've got some dark melted chocolate, which is a nice glossy one, and then I'm just going to drizzle some over them. And if you haven't clicked onto the like button, click on it now and like, share and subscribe. And if you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. If you want, you can completely cover these in chocolate, or you can dip them in there if you like. But I'm just putting some over there. You can use dark chocolate, or you can use the regular milk chocolate, white chocolate, or anything what you want to drizzle over it, you can drizzle over it. So we've got that. Then we're just going to put a dusting of icing sugar on top of that. So that's our first lot. Then on our second one, we're just going to put a dusting of icing sugar on top. So that's it everybody, our Italian amaretto biscuits or cookies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.